Ever needed to find an address through Cinc but weren't quite sure where to start? Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Cinc account using your assigned username and password. Make sure you have the correct permissions to access the address information. User rules often determine the data you are authorized to view. Once logged in, navigate to the search function. This is usually located prominently on the main dashboard or a dedicated search page. You can typically search using a name, case number, or other unique identifier. After entering your search criteria, a list of potential matches will appear. Carefully review the results to identify the correct individual or case. Be mindful of similar names or identifiers. Once you've selected the correct record, navigate to the address section. This is usually clearly labeled within the individual's profile or case. Details the full address, including street number, city, state, and zip code, should be displayed here. Remember, accessing and handling address information comes with important data privacy considerations. Always adhere to your organization's data handling policies and relevant regulations. Only access information that is necessary and use it responsibly. It's crucial to stay compliant with all applicable laws and regulations regarding data privacy, such as GDPR or CCPA. Depending on your jurisdiction, misuse of this data can have serious legal consequences.